ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ and it is a story time. And if you are not following any of the stories from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, I leave the link here for the playlist where we are doing the stories. I request you to watch those stories. Story listening is one of the fun way to improvise your learning language. So we'll start with today's story. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಯಾವುದು? Today's story is ಒಂಟಿ ಕಾಗೆ. That means a lonely crow. ಕಾಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ crow. We'll start with the story. ಒಂದು ತೋಟವಿತ್ತು. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ತೋಟ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಆ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಒಂಟಿ ಕಾಗೆ ಇತ್ತು. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಲೋನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೋ. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಮು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಮು. ರಾಮುಗೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಮು ಡಿಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಅವನು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸರವಾಗಿದ್ದನು. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಬೇಸರ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳ ಗುಂಪು, ಅ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅ ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿತು. ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ರಾಮುವಿಗೆ ನಾಚಿಕೆಯಾಯಿತು. ಅಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಮು ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಶೈ. ನಂತರ ಲೇಟರ್ ರಾಮು ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಮಾಷೆಯ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳತೊಡಗಿದ. ರಾಮು ಲೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಫನ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ತಮಾಷೆ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫನ್ನಿ, ಕಥೆ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದವು. ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಮೋಜು ಮಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ದೇ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಫನ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಆ ದಿನದಿಂದ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ ರಾಮು ತನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಗೆಳೆಯರ ಜೊತೆ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. So this is today's story. I hope you have enjoyed this story, and do let me know in the comment section which are the new words that you learned from this story. Share this story with your friends who have started learning Kannada, and listening story is one of the fun way. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more story anta helta namaskara, dhanyawada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.